Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So happy February. Today is February 1st that I am recording this video, and today I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for the month of February. But before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are currently watching this video and you are not subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. And if you have been with me this whole time, then you know I appreciate you. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so today we are going to be stuffing my cash envelopes today. And so the categories that we are going to be stuffing is going to be groceries, eating out, self-care, haircut, spending money, kids, miscellaneous, couponing, and gas. So I had my husband go to the bank for me, and we're going to be stuffing. You know what, I didn't even count this, so I don't necessarily know how much this is, but let me just go ahead and get all of the bills straightened up together. Okay, so let me pull this down a little bit so you guys can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and just put all of my bills in here, and then we are going to go ahead and get started. So everything that I'm stuffing today, guys, should be able to last us for the entire month of February. I did not count this money, so I don't know how much it is. So the first envelope that we are going to go ahead and start with is going to be groceries. Oh, and also, you guys, I'm going to also be unstuffing as well because I still have some money left in here from January. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of unstuffing, and then we are going to be stuffing. Okay, so the first envelope we have is groceries, and for the month of January we were left with nothing for the month of groceries, and the budget for the month of February for groceries is $200. Now, I did get a head start on my groceries for the month of February at the end of January, and I think I did some grocery shopping on January 30th, and I spent $21.75, and then I also spent $122.52. So that's a total of $144.27 that I spent of our $200 grocery budget. So $200 minus the $144.27 that I spent in groceries already for the month of February, that leaves us with $55.73 that I'm going to be stuffing in groceries today. Now, this $55 should last us the rest of the month because the freezer is completely stocked, cabinets, we have a ton of fruit. I mainly got like apple, oranges, peaches, and then I got a few blueberry, raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Now those are the four main fruit that usually go bad very quickly, so I did stock up more on like apples and oranges and stuff because I know that those can last way longer than the berries. So with this $55.73, towards the end of the month we'll be probably stocking up on more fresh fruits and vegetables. So I'm going to go ahead and grab $55. So I am going to grab a 50, and then I'm going to grab 5 ones. So we have 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to go ahead and stuff groceries with $55. And then with the 73 cents, I'm not going to put that change in here with the groceries because I do have a coin pouch at the end of this. I'm going to just save this 73 cents and put it back there once I get to that envelope. So groceries for the month, we are left with $55.73. And so the next envelope we have is going to be eating out. And for eating out during the month of January, we were left with nothing. And today we did go ahead and spend some money for eating out, and the budget for eating out this month is $200. And so I got some Subway today and I spent $10.98. My husband got some Chinese and he spent $16 even. So that's a total of $26.98. So $200 minus the $26.98 leaves us with $173.02 for the month of February for our eating out envelope. So I'm going to be stuffing it with $173, and the 2 cents will go in my coin pouch. So we have 100, 50, 70, 1, 2, and 3. So 150, 70, 1, 2, and 3. So $173 is going into our eating envelope this month. And then the next envelope, we have self-care. Now for self-care, we are left with $60. Now, normally I would take this money out, but I'm actually going to keep this $60 in self-care. I actually didn't get my nails done before January ended, so I'm going to keep this $60 stuffed into self-care. But then I'm also going to be stuffing self-care with an additional $60 because I know that I'm getting my nails done tomorrow, and then I'm pretty sure that I'm going to get my nails done again before February ends. So I'm going to go ahead and grab another $60 for self-care, and then now we should have $120 total. So 20, 40, 60, 81, and then 20. So $120 in self-care for the month of February. And then next up, we have haircut, and this is for my husband. So we had a budget of $20 for the month of January. He did go ahead and get his haircut at the end of the month, so we were left with nothing. But this month, we are going to be stuffing haircut with $40. So we're going to get 20 and 40. And then next up, we do have spending money. And so with spending money, we are left with, let's see, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take this $10 and I'm going to just put this to the side. And then with these $3 right here, these will go into my $1 savings box right here. And so with spending money this week, we are going to be stuffing this with $100. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this $100. And we're going to go ahead and stuff spending money. And then next up, we do have kids. And so for kids, we have a total of 20, 40, 60, 81. So we have $100 in kids. Now, we were supposed to go out and get our kids some newer shoes, but we actually did not get the chance to do that in January. So hopefully we can get that done this month. And so we have $100 right now, but I'm going to go ahead and stuff kids with another $100 for the month of February. So just in case we are out shopping for them and we think of something else that they may need, we'll have a budget for it. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 5 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So total we should have $200 in kids. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 2. 200 for kids. And then next up we have miscellaneous, and miscellaneous today has a total of 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. $14 in miscellaneous. And the budget for miscellaneous for the month of January was $20. I did have to use some money from miscellaneous to send off a package. And so that is why we are left with $14. So I'm going to put this $10 to the side. And then these $4 in ones will of course go into my $1 saving challenge. And then today we are going to be stuffing miscellaneous with another $20. So We have our $20 right here. And then next up, we do have my couponing envelope. And we do have some money left in couponing. So for couponing, we have a total of 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So for couponing, we are going to take these 5s, and these 5s are of course going to go into our $5 savings challenge, and then these 5 ones right here are going to go into my $1 savings challenge. And then today we are going to be stuffing couponing with $50. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab a $50 bill. And then next up, this is the last envelope actually, we have gas. So I actually didn't have this envelope in my previous cash envelope stuffing video because I completely forgot about gas. So this month gas is going to be getting stuffed with $180, and the reason why I'm stuffing it, I'm sorry, $160, and the reason why I'm stuffing it with that much is because my friend is coming up to visit on February 22nd, and she's going to be up here until about March 1st, and I'm pretty sure we're probably going to do a couple things, and I just want to make sure that I have a nice gas budget for that. I do have a Chevy Tahoe, so that already kind of, you know, takes up a lot of gas, but I want to just make sure that I have a healthy budget for that because I don't know what we're going to do, and I just want to make sure that I'm prepared for it. So gas is going to be getting stuffed with $160. So let's see, we have 51. Let me just grab the rest of this. I'm assuming that this should be $160. So let's see, we have 51, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Okay, so $160 is going into gas. And then next up, we just have receipts. So all of these receipts right here are from January, from all of the purchases that I made in January. So I'm just going to go ahead and take these out, and I am going to put in my newest receipts for the month of February. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my newest receipts. And then for my last envelope right here, I do have coins. So these are all of the coins that I accumulated from making purchases in January. And so what I'm going to do with these coins is just go ahead and drop them into my change jar. Okay, and then with the change that is from my eating out and my groceries envelope, I'm going to just toss that change into my coin pouch. One more thing that I want to mention, you guys, is with these $10 that was extra from my envelopes, what I'm going to, I really don't necessarily know what I'm going to do with this, but for now I think I'm just going to put it inside of an envelope, and then I'm going to label that envelope extra money. So whatever extra money I have, I'm probably just going to put it inside of that envelope, and you never know, I may just make this like an additional savings or something. I haven't quite thought about it yet, but for right now, that is what I'm going to do with it. And there you have it. That is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Stay tuned for my cash envelope stuffing sinking fund video, because that video is going up sometime this week as well. That is going to be it, you guys. I appreciate you guys for staying here and watching all the way through. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing and click that notification bell so that you guys will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. And I think that's going to be it for now, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And with that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.